from the start, girl, cause you know we connect. So no bother fret, no bother worry your head.